day 2 kicks off. We're here in Ohio. We're heading towards Steadfast Hot Rods. We have about 20 to 25 cars right now, heading to 30 cars. Some of the coolest hot rods in the country joining us on our drive to Steadfast Hot Rods, their open house. It is a beautiful sunny day here in Ohio. Going to be meeting even more hot rods for lunch today in Columbus and then on the Steadfast Hot Rods. So stay tuned for more coverage. Heading up to Steadfast again. You can edit that out, Kyle. Just beautiful. This is what a gas stop looks like when you take over a town.
Quaker Steak and Lube, all these cool hot rods coming from all across the country.
How many cars you guys think's here?
We probably got 40, I'd say 40.
40 or so? Yep. They keep rolling in.
Matt, where are we at? Where are we at?
I'm not sure really.
Scott or Adam, where are we at?
A long ways from.
Does anybody know? Butch knows where we're at.
Jefferson. Isn't that it?
Isn't that by the mall?
Jefferson.
That's London.
London. Yeah. But that's London here, but I think this is called, isn't it Jefferson?
So really, we have no idea where we're at, but we're heading toward Columbus.
We could be anywhere, like
though, aren't we?
Australia.
Anywhere.